मेरा बच्चा स्मार्ट तो है पर मेरी सुनता ही नहीं. If your child doesn't listen to you, don't worry. It's not just you training your child's brain. Their friends, teachers, society, reels, YouTube shorts. See, if we don't intentionally train their mind, someone else will. And that someone may not teach them. Let's talk straight from the heart. You know what's the biggest struggle for parents today? No, it's not screen time. It's not junk food. It's this. मेरा बच्चा स्मार्ट तो है पर मेरी सुनता ही नहीं. And the focus? I say beta focus, beta concentrate. But instead of focusing on homework, he remembers every single dialogue from YouTube shorts with background music, sound effect and thumbnail details. See, the world they are growing up in is not what we grew up in. हमारे टाइम पे binge watching, Ramayana on Sunday, bathroom break only during commercials, and we would beg, Mama please, just 5 minutes more, बस climax scene चल रहा है. And today's kids are like, Alexa, skip to next, skip ad, skip video, sometimes skip mummy also. We were scared of what Papa will say, and today's kids are like, Papa, chill na yaar. That's the difference. Kids today are super smart, but smart like smart TV. If you don't have the right remote, they will be watching some completely different channel in their head, like Doraemon inside a maths class. And we wonder, why is my child distracted? Why doesn't my child focus? Simple answer. Because they are living in a popcorn machine. The world around them is noisy, flashy, full of pressure, and 100 thoughts popping inside their head every minute. Their brain is like a sponge, but instead of water, it's absorbing reels, ads, AI voices, and FOMO, all in 4K Ultra HD. And if you are thinking, Arey, distractions were there in our time also. Your biggest distraction was a power cut during Ramayana, isn't it? Today's kids get 200 notifications in 2 minutes. From 6 apps, 6 games, 3 group chats, and one unknown YouTuber giving life advice at age 9. Type yes in the comments if you relate to this right now. Now tell me one thing. You know the elephant story, right? When the elephant is small, they tie him with heavy chains. He struggles, he pulls, he tries to break free, he fails, and eventually he gives up. Years later, he is huge, powerful, but they tie him with a tiny rope and he doesn't even try. Why? Because his mind was trained to believe, I can't. Now imagine, what if his mind was trained to say, of course I can. Let me try again. That's the power of mind training, my friend. It can go negative like the elephant or positive like Ishan from Tare Zameen Par. A child full of magic who just needed activation, not correction. Every single day, your child's brain is being trained. It's not just you training your child's brain. Their friends, teachers, society, reels, YouTube shorts, सब लगे हुए हैं फुल टाइम जॉब पर. और ऊपर से एक 12 साल का बच्चा बोल रहा होता है यूट्यूब पे, बी अ बिलियनेयर बाय 15. भाई तो पहले मैथ्स का होमवर्क कर ले. सी, इफ वी डोंट इंटेंशनली ट्रेन देयर माइंड, समवन एल्स विल, and that someone may not teach them how to stay calm under pressure, focus when it matters, choose wisely in a noisy world. But if we do train their mind in the right way, even the shyest child can speak on stage. Even the distracted one can focus like a monk. Even the most stubborn one can lead like a lion. Because the brain is not fixed, it's flexible. It's like clay or Play-Doh. And hey, if your child doesn't listen to you, don't worry. I have made a short video just for that. And if your child is smart but can't focus, yes, I have got a short video on that too. Remember, your child's mind is like wet cement. Whatever falls on it leaves a mark. So let's not leave that to chance. Let's train their mind in a way that even Netflix says, बेटा इतना ध्यान तो रेयर है आजकल, डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनानी पड़ेगी. Because when we train the brain the right way, confusion becomes clarity. Mind mess turns into memory. All that energy becomes real power. No dumbbells needed, just simple, joyful brain training. Because a trained mind is the real superpower, and your child is a super kid in making. Thank you for watching.